Hello everyone and welcome to ATG. In this video, I'm going to explain next effect. So the next effect is fade in and fade out. So let's see how fade in and fade out work in Audacity. First, I need to record my voice. Hello everyone. This is the sample test for Audacity tutorial. So here I recorded my voice. Let's see. Hello everyone. This is the sample test for Audacity tutorial. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how fade in work. I'm going to select this part of audio to give fade in effect. And now I'm going to select this part of audio to give fade out effect. Now you can see the difference between before and now. And let's see what is the result. Hello everyone. This is the sample test for Audacity. So basically the fade in means the audio start with low volume to normal volume, and fade out means the audio start with normal volume and end with low volume like studio. Okay, so I hope you all understand very nicely what is the use of fade in and fade out in Audacity. So here I'm going to stop this video, and thank you guys for watching this video.